We're going to talk about some properties of logarithmic functions. A bunch of these you're going to probably just want to memorize to use later. The first two we talked about previously. The log base a of 1 is 0. That is because a to the 0 power is 1. The next one, log base a of 1 is a because a to the 1 power equals a. The next one says a raised to the log base a of m equals m. This gives us a way to cancel out a log or to get rid of a log function. Next one, if we can match log base a of a to the r, we are left with r. Again, this is another way to cancel out a log function. The next three properties kind of go together. These are ways to combine or expand log functions. If you got a product inside the log function, we can write it as a sum of two log functions, and that goes back to exponential functions, where if you're multiplying two things with the same base, you add the powers. If we have division inside the log, then we can rewrite it as a subtraction of two log functions. Again, going back to exponentials, dividing two exponentials with the same base, you end up by subtracting the powers or the exponents. And then the next one allows us to bring the r power out front to become a coefficient. So from a power to a coefficient. The next two kind of change around what your base is. Here our base is a, and we can change it to base e if we wish. And then the last property is change of base for log, where if we want to change from base a to base b, we just have to follow this pattern or this formula, and that will change our base. This is useful when we want to use our calculator to evaluate log functions, because we don't have a log base a button. We only have an ln, which is log base e, or a common log, which is log base 10.